State the nature of your emergency.
There's a couple having sex in my yard.
Do you believe one party is being raped?
No, I think it's consensual.
Then that's not an emergency.
But there are children in the neighborhood who might see it.
Please call our non-emergency number. Dispatch center.
Hey, you're the same one I was just talking to.
Is this about the couple having sex?
Yeah, it is.
All right. Give me the address and I'll send an officer when one becomes available.
Sir, it is not a crime for animals to have sex.
But they're doing it in public.
I don't care.
There are children in the neighborhood.
If I have to come back here again for this, I will arrest you for disorderly conduct.